Hello? Yo, I was calling to see how you put a face mask on. Hakuna Matata. Y'all probably all watching this laughing at me like something's wrong with Cryptic. Oh my god. Oh snap. Oh my god.
I'm emotionless, no hope in it. Won't change my love, you've broken it. I'm stuck inside, I can't hide. You think I care, but I won't cry.
Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy JustKryptic here, back with another video. And today, man, I'm gonna be doing something completely different. Hold on, let me get it focused real quick. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, we're gonna be doing something different today. This video is gonna be very, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just be having super different content on my channel 24/7. Ain't nothing ever like the same, you know what I'm saying? But basically, I'm gonna be trying a face mask. So y'all know I got these marks on my face. I'm sorry for this close-up real quick. I know y'all probably gonna be like, get your face out the screen, man. Anyways, y'all know the marks I got on my face. I'm not even trying to be like weird like that and put my face all in the camera, but these two marks on my face, I don't know what it is. A lot of people have been saying it's eczema or psoriasis or pediatritis rosea, a lot of different names. I don't really know what it is yet. I actually do have a appointment in the morning tomorrow at 9:30. I am going to be going to the doctors, a dermatologist. And for those of you who don't know what a dermatologist is, basically what a dermatologist is their skin doctors. So I'm going to go to the dermatologist tomorrow at 9:30. They're going to figure out whatever the heck it is on my face. I know a lot of you guys been asking me for a while, but I figured I would try something different. I've never ever tried a face mask, but I'm about to go to one of these like beauty places and go buy a face mask. And you guys have been sending me this on like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that kind of stuff, saying I should try a face mask. So I'm gonna try it, man. We're gonna head to the store right now. I'm gonna get one and we're gonna see what happens. I don't really know. Quick little heads up before we do go ahead and do this. Vintage is out, my new song. It's out on all streaming services, Spotify, Apple Music, SoundCloud, all that stuff. You guys want to check it out, the link to it is down in the description, or you guys can just look it up on any, you know what I'm saying, streaming service or whatever. Just had to plug that really quick for those of you guys who listen to my music. Anyways though, head to the store, pick up this face mask, man, and we're gonna see what happens. Let's get it.
I bite your soul and you're like it. I'm feeling pain, just saying this, yeah. Steady trying to maintain. Depression has got me feeling like I can't think. You saying you know me, you don't know a damn thing. I'm fighting the demons all inside my membrane. I will never change, yeah, I will never fade. Waking up to another day, I pray.
Alright y'all, so I just went in the store and got it right here. I had to put my little thingy down in the car. I don't know what this is called, but like, sheesh, the lighting, bro. Anyways though, I bought it. This is my first face mask. This mug was only like $1. I don't actually know how you put these on or anything like that. You guys probably gonna think I'm stupid, like that I don't know how to do this stuff, but I've never done it before. Just like, to be honest, I don't know, I've never put on a face mask. I heard they're good for your skin and everything like that, and girls use them all the time, but me personally, the guys that I hang around, nobody uses face masks and stuff like that. Like, literally this feels like water inside of here, so I don't know how this is supposed to work, but it says deep cleansing. I don't know, it'd be crazy if I did it, my skin looked better. Obviously it's not gonna take off my red marks or nothing like on a first try or something like that, and I got the appointment in the morning, but I figured I'd try it anyways because I've tried a lot of stuff, but I haven't tried a peel off mask. Like I said, I don't know what it is. Eczema, psoriasis, pediatritis, rosea, it could be a lot of things, but we're gonna figure that out tomorrow. If you guys want me to vlog it, let me know down in the comment section. I'm gonna go ahead and head home though, so we can try this out, man. Y'all can see what the result of this looks like on me, and I'm gonna just have this weird face mask on. Let's get it, man. Alright y'all, I'm back at the crib right now. Got the face mask. I don't have any directions with this, so I don't really know how to use this mug, but I'm assuming I just rip it open and then try and use it. So instead of getting scissors, because I'm not finna walk all the way down to my kitchen because I feel lazy right now. I probably mentioned I've never used one of these things like 5 times in this video, but I really mean I have no clue on how to use this. Wait, am I ripping it? Did I break it or something? It's getting like ink on my fingers. Hold on. I guess I'm gonna watch a video on how to do this. Okay, so I just watched a video on it. Basically what you do, and I had no clue, is you're supposed to put, this is like ink, or it's like Play-Doh or something. So it's like, you know what I'm saying, it's not an actual mask you just put on. I probably sound really stupid right here, but you're supposed to like rub it on your face. So I'm gonna have to put my hair in a ponytail first of all. All the little girls in the comment section finna flame me talking about, put your hair back down. All right, so hair in the ponytail. I look like a little bunny right now. It's straight though, but I think what I'm supposed to do, and like, I don't know if you guys can even see in here, they look literally pitch black, but I think I'm just supposed to take my finger and what the freak, look at this. It look like I got oil on my finger. I think I just literally rubbed this on my face. I'm gonna rub it on my marks first. That's the, oh my god, hold on. I don't want it in my mouth. The freak, this is weird. I just like paint my face. I feel like I'm doing this wrong, bro. Y'all probably gonna watch this video and be like, what the heck is wrong with Cryptic? I really don't know how this is supposed to work. Let me get some more glob up in here, you know what I'm saying? I don't wanna get my eyebrows, right? You don't get your eyebrows because it'll rip your eyebrows off, I think. I don't know, I could be wrong. So I'm gonna go around my eyebrows. Okay, so hopefully, I'm gonna just do like a little outline. And then once I get the outline done, I can fill in. It's kind of like I'm drawing on my face right now. I'm using my camera, the screen on my camera to see if I'm doing this right or not. So like after you put the actual face mask on, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to let it sit for like 20 minutes or something like that. So like 20-30 minutes. I don't really know, man. This is weird, bro. Is this getting on my eyebrow? I'm finna be heated. I really gotta make sure I don't hit my eyebrow because I'm swinging. Look like tar. Look like I got tar on me. I put this on my nose too. What the heck? So apparently I'm supposed to put it all over. Oh, Rodney's calling me. Look at this. Hello? Yo, I was calling to see how you put a face mask on. I'm putting this mug on right now. You just like wipe it on, right? Around your face?
Yeah, everywhere.
Okay, except for my eyebrows, because it'll rip my eyebrows off.
I mean, yeah, I put on my eyebrows, but just don't put them on there.
This is so weird, bro. Look at this. It's like literally tar. Oh my god. Y'all probably all watching this laughing at me like something's wrong with Cryptic. I swear I've done some pretty weird stuff for my channel, but I've never tried doing a face mask, so this is something else. Hakuna Matata. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Sorry, excuse me. I put it around my lips too. Oh, I got on my lip. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, I'm not supposed to get on my lip. I'm gonna take the pigment off my lip. This is so weird. I don't know if I'm doing this right, man. I gotta do this under my lip too. I gotta do all this. Oh my god, this is so weird. You ever looked at yourself in the mirror and thought something's wrong with me? Cause that's how I feel right now. Look like I just went to a football game for some team I don't even know what it is, so I just decided my colors was gonna be black. Let's go black, let's go. Oh, you just get on the bottom of my lip? Hell no. Goodbye. I just realized my forehead is kind of small. Like in this picture, this dude, oh my god, it's on my eyebrow. Oh my god, it's on my eyebrow. Hold on. If it rips off my eyebrow, I'm suing, bro. I'm suing. Oh snap, it's on my eyebrow. What the fudge? I think I'm almost out of face mask, but I mean, I pretty much cover every spot. Am I supposed to? Oh, I'm supposed to go under my nose too, or all the way around my nose. It smells like it has alcohol in it. Like y'all know that smell of alcohol or like nail polish or something. That's what it smelled like. This is so weird. I mean, the main spots I was trying to get was just them red marks, so we got that. There's gotta be like a professional way to do this or something, because I didn't mean to do that. Hey, my face look mad oily, like look at my face, bro. I look mad oily. This is something else. This is some next level YouTube content right here. This is like that weird side of YouTube when you get bored and start just looking on YouTube for random stuff, and then you get to the weird side and then you just gonna find me here. This is y'all first ever video seeing me. This is not something normal on my channel. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. I don't be doing this. This ain't it, Chief. It's not even focusing on me anymore. It don't even register me as a human. Here we go. Okay, I think I have the face mask on. I think this is good. I don't know. Do I look like him, y'all? Black mask. Do we look alike? I look like I'm finna rob somebody's house. Give me your money. I'm gonna get this crap off my fingers real quick, cause this is what y'all dirty people be doing, man. Don't be doing none of that. All right, y'all, so it's been about a solid 20-30 minutes right now. I can barely even move my mouth like up and down because this mask crap is stretching, but I'm gonna try and pull it off now. I don't know if it's ready, but I'm gonna try to, man. I don't even know where to start with this crap, honestly, but we just gonna try pulling it off, man. I don't think I did it right, so this is gonna be ridiculously hard to get off because I think it's supposed to be like a much thicker coating or something like that, so that way I can just rip it all off, and it's just like really light. But I texted a picture to my mom and she flipped out. She said she was laughing so hard when she saw this, but like how the freak, like where am I supposed to start on this to get it off? I don't think I'm gonna be able to get this off, like for real. I don't think I did it right. Start from here? Oh, okay, we can start from here. Okay, all right, I think that works. Oh, this hurts. Oh my god. I feel like, oh snap, hold up. You know the movie Venom? I feel like the creature on Venom. Oh my god. Oh. Oh snap. Oh dude. Oh, I'm not even gonna lie, this actually kinda hurts. Ugh. Jeez. I don't know if that was, I don't know what I just did right there, but holy crap, that actually kind of hurt to pull off, bro. Oh my god, if this pulls my eyebrow off, I'm swinging. I'm telling y'all right now. Okay, I'm straight. I got all these little pieces on me now. Oh, that's still like ink. Look at this. This is my face. Peekaboo, I see you. Okay, so we don't need that. It didn't even do anything to my marks, bro. That's actually kind of sad. Like, I would have maybe seen if it like do something. I look fried right now. Hold on, I need to go wash my face. Now I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so I just got it off my face. Well, for the most part, there's still like little tiny pieces, a little bit, but like, I ain't gonna lie, I don't know what the freak that I'm supposed to do. My face, I mean, it feels like maybe a little bit smoother, but like, I don't know, it didn't do nothing to these red marks. I don't know, y'all tell me if y'all see a difference. I don't really see a difference, to be honest. This is the first time I've ever tried using one of these things. I mean, it's cool. My marks might look a little better. I can't really tell. You guys let me know down in the comment section below. This is definitely another weird thing to add to my list of weird videos I've done on my channel. Like I said, I am going to the doctor's tomorrow morning, dermatologist, to check out this stuff and figure out what it is. Hopefully that way I can get rid of it. But hopefully this was entertaining to y'all. If y'all did like this video, make sure to leave a like on it. Also subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I would appreciate it. Also, make sure to check out Vintage. It's out on all platforms right now. I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. Peace out.
Need to be further from love, that's why my heart aches. I fell in love with a demon, that was a heartbreak. I gave her love and attention, it made my heart shake. I'm feeling like I'm messing up, man, that's a hard fate. I don't think they get it, I'm feeling like I'm inside. I'm running, but I can't hide, I'm feeling like I might die. They switching it this and I don't even think that they get it. I'm finished writing every wrong until my time is coming, I am vintage.